When an old hybrid battery comes to us, it comes to us looking like this. Now you can see this has come just out of a vehicle and straight to us. When it gets to this stage, we will disassemble it down to the core level. We will then put it through a series of charging and discharging processes to determine the state of health of each module. They'll either be A-grade modules, which can be used for remanufacturing, or B-grade modules, where they'll be recycled and go off to a recycler. Our A-grade modules then get assembled into packs, where they are then balanced and meet our QC standards. Once we've got a remanufactured battery and we're happy with the results of it, it will then get assembled into our tinware, which is right here. Our Infinitev battery comes fully plug and play, has the fan, ECU and relay block on it. It means that it is fully assembled and ready to bolt into the car. This is a great example of our circular economy, where we save batteries before they're broken down and recycled.